You telling me a chicken fried this rice? Well, that's what we're making today on this week's episode of The Cooked Goose. Hello, welcome back on another episode of The Cooked Goose. I'm your host, Alex, and today I'm going to teach you how to make super easy and healthy chicken fried rice. All right, let's get into it. Starting with the celery, cut into small, manageable stalks. This will allow control when cutting. Cut the celery with a fluid back and forth motion. This will give you rhythm and ease when cutting your celery or other veggies. Moving on to the carrots. Use that same back and forth fluid motion you used from the celery, using baby carrots for those small, easy, bite-sized pieces. Last is the onion. Peel back skin or shell of the onion and cut into half. Keep the bottom attached when cutting down the middle. Remember, don't cut all the way down. Keep that bottom part. After that, cut lengthwise and cut the bottom off. Now you have a wonderful strips of onion. All right, so I have everything here. Got my Chinese 5-spice and some sesame seeds. Also 5 spoonfuls of minced garlic. You can knock out garlic. Got some frozen peas, celery of course, and my carrots, onions, and red pepper. Avocado oil, a little bit of Johnny seasoning, and I'll start to season the vegetables with there. And of course, the lovely fried rice. I'm using jasmine rice as well as brown rice. And then those cubes over there, those are little frozen ginger cubes that you can use. You can get them at any other store, especially at Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. And then, of course, our boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now we'll move over here, and this one I'm going to start on the Blackstone. And alright, lay down some avocado oil or vegetable oil for your preference. Then lay down all the vegetables as you see here and begin to saute. Add just a touch of soy to give the background flavor on the veggies while sauteing. Alright, put a little oil down on the griddle or pan, and you're going to put the brown rice on top of that, spread out evenly so it's all nice and crispy. Make sure to cook the rice the day before. This is really important to have it nice and dry so that it gets nice and crispy, as well as it blends in all the flavors with the vegetables, and make sure everything is all set in stone. Now to add a little bit more flavor, add in a little bit of that garlic to the fried rice, and as well as the veggies. Once the rice is starting to cook as well as the vegetables, turn down the heat, add in just a little bit more soy sauce, then add about a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. All right, put down your oil for the chicken. Lay it flat down either on a cast iron pan or as you see here on the griddle. Now I'm going to put in my Chinese 5-spice. Chinese 5-spice is a really bold flavor, so make sure you want to put just the right amount as well as the little Johnnies to give it that background flavor and a little bit of that salt. Now that the rice has been cooking for 5 to 10 minutes, flip rice on other side. If it has some crispiness to the rice, that is okay. The crispiness is what you want. Once flipped, add in your soy sauce. Once you feel like everything is sauteed and cooked, take your rice and make a volcano shape and mix in the veggies. This will for sure make you feel like you're at Benihana. All right, once you mix in the veggies and the rice, again, go back to that volcano shape form, and then now it's time to crack in that egg. Crack in that egg, scramble it with your paddle or your spatula, mix well, then cut up that chicken. At the very last part, mix in all your ingredients to make sure everything is evenly cooked. Then final touches, a little bit of that Chinese 5-spice with some sesame seeds. And then just to kick it up a notch, definitely use some Sriracha to add that big, bold, spicy flavor. Boom. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, with the sesame seeds, Chinese 5-spice chicken on there. All right, let's go for it. The celery. Rice is a little crispy, which is really good. Here's this chicken. Rice evenly balanced. Wow. Chicken could use a little more flavor, but add a little more soy sauce would definitely make it perfect. Wow. Very good. Yeah. It's really easy. It was really simple to make. And you can definitely, like I showed you on the griddle, but you can definitely make it in a cast iron pan or regular pan. Do that as well and mix it it all up. All right, now for the drink review. Since you're going more the light style with the fried rice and healthiness of of course, the chicken. So if you want to treat yourself, of course, a nice little light beer, Corona's great, or Sapporo is really great. It's kind of like that Japanese Budweiser that everyone loves, or you see at sushi or Japanese or teriyaki restaurants. And then, of course, the non-alcoholic beverage would be just your iced tea. Unfortunately, I don't have any lemon, but But hey, there you have it. And all right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And remember to always stay hungry.